Once you get a 3D printer, a mind virus takes hold and you realize you just don't have to settle anymore. You start to see all the little things that are broken in your life that a small piece of plastic would fix. Or maybe just the places in your life that could use a little more sunshine. And you can never unsee it. The 3D printing mind virus has taken hold. The things I've printed in the last 14 days fall into two main categories: fixing things that are broken and changing my environment to make my life easier. But all could fall under the umbrella of making my home into my home. You are not mass-produced, and neither should be your home. I've saved my favorite prints for the end. You won't believe what you can do with just a 3D printer and some pool noodles. Drop a comment and let us know what you want to see more of. For me, the 3D printing mind virus is strongest when it comes to fixing things. It was the little things like when my husband dropped this teriyaki sauce bottle and broke just the lid, or this table in the wee Slightly's nursery. I either had to put it in an awkward place and be flat, or in the best place and be tilted. A little 3D printing and I didn't have to choose anymore. What about near-death electronics? Fixed. And that one used plastic that glows. Then it comes to babies and how things just seem to disappear around them. The wee Slightly's play gym was looking awfully bare, so I made more rings to hang toys off of. And fixing things doesn't have to mean they're broken. It can also apply to things that just aren't right. For example, I finally stopped accepting the mess around our projector, and IKEA hacked this media center out of 2 Plugus recycling bins. Small bits of custom plastic really can meaningfully change your home. Or how the baby's little board books kept being eaten by her bookshelf, so I made new little pockets that fit her books just right. Once you have a 3D printer, you don't have to accept masking tape labels anymore, like how I decided to not accept fumbling with these external hard drives and not knowing which is which, and made the most used ones sparkle a little more. Or I wanted to tell apart the baby's thermometer from the adult thermometer. I could have used a Sharpie, but this is way more fun. And then it comes to the real customization. Your environment should make it easy for you to make good decisions or head off worry before something goes wrong. It could be something simple like this coaster I made to support Team Water, the largest creator collaboration to date. To teamwater.org right now to donate and make a difference. Or maybe it's physically creating some portion control for Mr. Slightly by giving him a way to see how many snack bars he's already eaten this week. Or knowing my shampoo is never going to spill again because I didn't pay enough attention when I sat it down. Most importantly, I was able to make the wee Slightly's walker just the right size for her. Your child is not mass-produced. Why should their toys be? I hope this walkthrough of what I've printed in the last 14 days inspires you to make your home slightly better too.